Hi, this is Tim Newmeyer, Tech Service Manager with PMC. Today, we're going to go over the replacement and troubleshooting of the electrical diode that is in our spray proportioners. This is the electrical diode. It's a key component in the electrical console of our spray proportioners. We're going to go over what happens when it malfunctions and how to fix the problem. Okay, so what happened is that the diode malfunctioned. Okay, the pump stopped in the middle of the stroke. We lost our two pump directional lights. We also lost our hydraulic pressure. Okay, you can see is that the pump is in the normal position. The two pump lights are out. The hydraulic pressure is cut. Okay, but I can still, when I turn it to the retract position, the pump will go to retract, because the retract circuit is a separate circuit within the pump circuit that will allow it to do that. But once I put it back to normal, it'll go to the one side and stop. This is the diode piece, okay? It goes between number 58 on the DC volt terminal strip and number 14 on the back of the SSR pump relay. Okay, and we're going to remove that piece. Okay, and there's the diode. Okay, we are going to get a piece of 16 gauge wire, and we're going to cut the ends off. Now, I have a jumper wire here that I had that's got terminal ends on it, but you just use about a 4 to 5 inch piece, strip back the ends. Okay, we're going to go back in between 14 and get a little tricky here, but you just have to get the one end in, go into 58. Okay, so when you get that wire in there, give it a little tug, make sure it's in there. Make sure the number 58 wire is also tight. Okay, so now we have the diode jumped. Okay, we're turning the machine back on. Okay, so we're back to. Okay, that's how you jump out and replace the electrical diode. One thing to keep in mind is that this diode is directional. So when you get your replacement diode, you see that small little white strip that's on the end of the diode barrel. That end of that wire goes to number 58 on the terminal strip. Okay, and of course, and the other end goes to number 14 on the back of the SSR4. Thanks again for watching, and for more of my tech tips, go to our website, polymac-usa.com.